Hello everyone, welcome back to Dr. Saurabh classes, and we were doing geography series and we were doing CUET UG Geography paper, and this is another question right in front of us. So I think you have gone through the videos and you are already learning from our videos. Okay, now let's focus on the question. Identify the correct statement about pipelines. Pipelines are extensively used to transport liquid and gases. Pipelines can also be used to transport liquefied coal. Milk is not supplied through pipelines in any country of the world as it is unhealthy. LPG is supplied only through gas cylinders for safety reason. Choose the correct answers from the options given below: A, C, D, A, B, C, A, B, B, C, D. Try on your own first, then I will help you out. So let's start from here. So first of all, you have to, there's a basic understanding. What is this? Pipelines are, what are pipelines mainly used for? Mainly used for liquid. Now what kind of liquid? What kind of liquid? Mainly for oil and water. Okay. And then comes gases. What kind of gases? Tell me. Mainly for natural gas and LPG. Then comes even some slurry materials also pass through, slurry materials. Okay. Now let's go to the option. First one is saying pipelines are extensively used to transport liquid gases. This is correct. This is correct. That's why we have talked about like petroleum, natural gases. Basic definition is always the true. Petroleum, okay. So A will be there. So we have got A over here and over here, and we do not have A in option 4. So we will eliminate option 4 in the beginning, very beginning. Okay. Number B is talking about pipelines can also be used to transport liquefied coal. This is also correct. This is also correct because we were talking about the slurry material, slurry pipelines. Okay. And coal is mixed with water, that is transported, used mainly in India and USA, mainly in India and USA. Over here let me write it, a coal mixed with water. Okay. Clear? See, milk is not supplied through pipelines, so B is correct. B is correct. B is correct. And over here we have got no B, so we can eliminate. And we have got B over here, we have got B over here. Number 2. Milk is not supplied through pipelines in any country of the world as it is unhealthy. It's incorrect. Milk is supplied. Milk is supplied. Milk is transported through pipelines in some countries. For example, dairy farms like Europe and USA. Dairy farms. Also, unhealthy is not a valid reason, because if the pipe it's not, the unhealthy is not a valid reason, it's a valid reason, but they use it, they think that if the pipe is clean, the pipe is new, if the pipe is washed, then what's harm in supplying the milk in delivering, and then they are get, I think they get, you know, the basic treatment, the milk gets the basic treatment, and after that they are packaged and they are sold out. Okay. Next is D, LPG is supplied. So C won't be the correct option. So C won't be the correct option. So over here we have already eliminated, so 2 will be eliminated, and we have got option number 3, which is the correct option. Number D is saying LPG is supplied only through gas cylinders for safety reasons. No, not at all. LPG is also supplied by a pipe gas system, PNG, piped gas system. In cities, and not only through cylinders. Okay. So pipelines are not just for oils, they can carry anything that can flow. Pipelines basically, Clear? Oil, gas, coal, milk, LPG, everything pipeline can carry. So there is nothing more to discuss over here. This question has been solved and I think you have understood this question. But again, if you have got any doubt, for that we have already kept a number right in front of you in the screen. It's 9062395123. Call us, ping us, WhatsApp us and let us know your doubts. We will help you and we will try to clarify it. We will try to answer all your queries. You can sit for mock tests, you can ask for study materials, you can ask for doubt clearing sessions as well. Okay, so everything will be answered. We have got dedicated teams to help you out. Okay, so let's end this video over here and we will move on to the next question in my next video. See you there. Take care. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.